Hey everyone, today we will learn how we can delete data in Supabase. So, in the previous video, we have learned how to update data. Today we will learn how we can delete data from the same page using this delete post button. So, let's just create the server action for that. Delete post. And it will take again previous state and the form data. And let's get the post ID from the previous state and create the client. And here we need to call the delete method from the post table, and we need to add a filter where id column equals to our post id. And if there is an error, we're gonna return a response. Return error will be error message. Otherwise, we will redirect the user to the home page. And let's just export the function. Go to the update post form and add a new action state. You need to pass the delete post function. And for initial state, I'm gonna add the post ID. And error will be just an empty string. Let's get the return values. Delete state. Delete post action. And is delete pending. Now let's go to the bottom, and there is a button for delete. Uncomment this. We want to disable the button while it is pending, and we want to add a loader. And here for the error state, we're gonna add a condition. If update error or delete error exist, we're gonna render either update error or delete error. And let's just destructure the delete error from the state. And in the delete post button, we need to add an attribute called form action, and that will be delete post action. So this is another way that you can trigger a form action. We have an error, delete post is not defined. I guess it wasn't imported. Delete post. Now it should work. So delete post. Now we are redirected to the home page. Now if I go to the database and refresh, and if I search for v2, now we don't have any data. So the row was deleted successfully. So this is how you can delete data. So in the next video, we will learn about user profile management. So that's it for today. Stay safe. Goodbye.